Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Now the most notable features on this LE is its heated front seats, you have your blind spot monitoring, and your power sliding rear doors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid LE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this LE is its daytime running lights. And then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors, and you do have your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just letting you know if there is another vehicle right beside you. Taking a closer look just at the second row, as you can see, you have the second row captain seats, but you also have an additional middle seat that you can actually place in here. And if you take a look in the second row windows, you do have the sunshade visors, and one of the nice things is that you do have this handle that goes from basically the top to the bottom to make things easier for people who have trouble actually getting inside the vehicle. Now the button to close the power sliding rear doors are just located down below the handrest or armrest or handle, I should say. Sorry about that, folks. And then if you want to actually close it from the outside, just pull on the door once more and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is silver. Now taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats, you have your cloth interior with your power driver's seat, traction control on and off, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel. And then on the inside of the driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function as well as your Bluetooth connectivity, volume control, voice recognition, and cruise control. Now, it does come equipped with the push button start, so you have to do is push one on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So if we take a closer look, just scrolling through, you do have a digital speedometer with your fuel economy on there. Distance to empty, you can also go through your lane departure alert, audio, trip info. Inside there you'll also find the energy monitor, tire pressure monitoring as well. You have your lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, all located in your settings menu, along with a couple of other additional features that you can personalize for yourself. And you have an exterior temperature gauge and digital clock. Now, taking a look at the center dash area, if you go inside the menu screen, you're going to find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, with the apps menu, it's part of the Entune app suite, so as long as you have it on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your maps from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Temperature control settings located down below with your heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. Rear temperature controls are going to be located in the center, USB, and you have this little shelf here where you can place some smaller items. Mounted to an automatic transmission with your EV and your drive mode. Now the nice thing is with this armrest, you do have some storage space located underneath, and then you'll also find a power outlet located down there as well. Now if we take a look at the top here, you do have your open and closed for the power sliding rear doors with your light controls. And then if we take a closer look now at the backup camera, as you can see you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on the back, you're going to find your backup camera and your rear hatch release located in the center. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you, but if you need more additional occupants, it's available for you as well. Now, if you're wondering how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located just on the back of the seat, but even with the 60 side up, you still have plenty of cargo space located down below. And then if you take a look, just over on the side there, you're going to see you have your USB ports just located on there as well. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.